With introduction of Apple Intelligence, proper writing tools are now available from within Apple Notes. So here I am in my Apple Notes on my Mac. If I select this long text and then right click on it, I can head all the way to writing tools. When I will have several AI enhanced options, I can summarize this, create key points, make a list, or make it into a table. I can make it more friendly, professional, or concise. So let's summarize this text. And now with the help of Apple AI, we got this short summary. We can replace the original text, or we can just copy this summary, and I can place it whatever else I want to place it by pasting. So Command V to paste, and here it is. Let's try to turn this into a list. So again, selection, right click, writing tools. Let's make it into a list. Alright, and we got this rephrase a bit, and we got now into a list with the bullet points. Okay, so we can click done, or we can revert to the original one. Keep in mind, this is the very first version of Apple Intelligence. Right now we are on macOS 15.1, so I only expect this to be better and better. As you can see, there's icon of Apple Intelligence still visible here, so I can click on that and I can rewrite it again. I can use those options as well just by clicking on that icon. So when you select your text, you may see this icon. If you cannot see it, do what I just did. So right click and then search for writing tools here on the list. I hope this was helpful, and I hope more programs will be enhanced with Apple AI in the near future. I will see you in the next video.